Hello students, welcome to Royal Palace online classes. So today let us continue the chapter electromagnetic induction. See, last class we studied how EMF is induced, what about Faraday's laws, everything we completed. Now in this video we will discuss a new topic called induction. Induction, it is a process of inducing current. It is a process of inducing current. It is of two types. One is self-inductance, self-induction and mutual induction. It is of two types. One is self, other one is mutual. Self and mutual. Self-inductance is self-inductance or self-induction. It is, let us consider there is a coil carrying current I. If there is a coil carrying current I, there will be a magnetic field. If you consider at its center, there will be a magnetic field mu naught Ni by 2R. And area of this flux of this coil we can calculate. Flux of this coil is mu naught Ni by 2R into pi r square. This is the flux. If everything is maintained constant, radius everything is maintained constant, flux is proportional to current. So that means what it indicates, if I change flux, if I change current, flux is changed. So according to Faraday, if flux is changed, EMF is generated. So therefore EMF is generated. The generation of EMF in a coil due to change in the current in the same coil is called as self-induction. And here the constant what you are getting is called L, which is called self-inductance. Okay. So what is self-induction means? The phenomena of generation of EMF in a coil due to change in current in the same coil is called as self-induction, and this L is called self-inductance. It is unit is Henry. Now we can calculate the self-inductance of a solenoid having n number of turns. Consider a solenoid having n number of turns. The flux associated with this solenoid first we can calculate. It is having n number of turns. Magnet, if it is very long, we can take magnetic field is equal to mu naught Ni if it is carrying a current I into area of the coil is pi r square, or you can take this as A only, because in textbook it has given as A only. Now this flux is equal to, I can write, this is number of turns, small n is number of turns per unit length. So I can write this small n, or this capital N I can write it as small n into L. N into L, it is mu naught Ni into A. Therefore this is equal to mu naught N square A L into I. So according to our definition, that flux I can equate to L into I. So equate this to L into I. If you equate this to L into I is equal to mu naught N square A into L into I. So I and I will get cancelled. So self-inductance is equal to mu naught N square A into L. This is formula for self-inductance of a solenoid. This is given as one of the derivation in our textbook, NCERT textbook. You can go through. This is the discussion part of self-induction, self-inductance. So, this is nothing but if you change current, flux changes, because you can generate EMF in 3 methods. The thing is, EMF according to Faraday's law, it is E is equal to d phi by dt, d phi by dt. So, d phi can write as BA cos theta, BA cos theta by dt. You can write this as BA sin, BA cos omega t dt, d by dt. Okay, right. Here you can generate EMF by changing B. If you change B, you can generate EMF. First you pass 1 Tesla, next you pass 2 Tesla, after some time you will get EMF. You can change area, a square convert into circle, you can get EMF. And by changing theta, that is omega t, by changing orientation of the coil, you change the orientation of the, within a magnetic field, you just rotate a coil with angular velocity omega, you will get EMF. So, here I am changing B here because I is changed. So, generation of EMF. So, again by taking this formula, what you will get? Phi is equal to Li d phi by dt minus d phi by dt is equal to, L is a constant, minus L into di by dt, di by dt. So, this is nothing but EMF is equal to minus L into di by dt. So, this is formula for EMF induced due to self induction, and the device used is given by the symbol like this, and this is called inductor. This is called inductor. Now, let us discuss mutual induction also. What is mutual induction? And we will derive one formula for mutual inductance of 2 solenoids when one solenoid is placed inside the another solenoid. So, let us discuss mutual induction. Mutual induction. The definition of mutual induction is, if 2 coils are present nearby, let us assume there are 2 coils which are present nearby. First coil I will call it as primary coil, second coil I will call it as secondary coil. Current in primary I will take it as IP, current in secondary we will get it as IS, we will take afterwards. In that, in one coil only I passed current. These 2 coils are closely associated. Take this as one coil, is another coil, both are closely associated. In one coil only I am passing current. This current I am changing. Suppose at time t is equal to 0, I passed 1 ampere. At time t is equal to 2 seconds, I passed 2 amperes. I am changing the current. When I change the current, we can observe that EMF is generated in this coil. EMF is generated in this coil. EMF will be, current is induced in that coil. The generation of EMF in a coil due to change in current in a nearby coil is called mutual inductance. This is called mutual inductance. The generation of EMF in a coil due to change in current in a nearby coil is called mutual inductance. Why we are getting EMF here? The reason is, the flux will be linked with the secondary because of primary, because every current carrying coil acts like a dipole, that we have seen in the last chapter, moving charges and magnetism. So, secondary coil will be in the magnetic field of primary. So, if I change current in primary if I change, magnetic field of primary will change. That means the electric flux associated with secondary also will change, because what magnetic field secondary is having, it is nothing but the primary, nothing but the magnetic field of primary. So, because of that, once I change, if I change the current in primary, flux linked with secondary will change. When flux linked with secondary changes, then EMF is generated in secondary. So, thing is, flux linked with secondary is proportional to current in primary, because flux linked with secondary is only because of primary, because they are very closely associated. Just you can take the same formula, flux linked with secondary will be equal to mu naught n I p, this is B, by 2 R1 into B into A, area of secondary. R1 is radius of the primary, R2 is radius of secondary. So, flux linked with secondary is proportional to current in primary. If you remove proportionality, you will get one constant which is called mutual inductance, Now, we can derive formula for mutual inductance. Before that, we will derive the formula for EMF. EMF is equal to minus d phi s by dt, that is equal to minus m into dIp by dt. If you change current in primary, EMF is developed in secondary. Now, let us calculate mutual inductance of a solenoid when two solenoid are kept one inside the other. We can calculate the mutual inductance. Let us consider there is a solenoid of S1, this I am calling it as S1. Inside that there is another solenoid like this. One solenoid is placed inside another solenoid like this. That means if you see the cross sectional area, that is top view, if you take one coil, this is S1, this will be S2. Now, what I will do first time, I will pass current in S1, let us take that as I1. I will change this current, I will get current in S2, So, I will calculate mutual inductance between these two. That mutual inductance I will name it as M12, mutual inductance of 1 and 2. So, M12 is equal to, how we can calculate? First calculate flux linked with S2. Flux linked with S2 is equal to, let us take radius of this as R1, this you take it as R2, this you take it as R1. Flux linked is equal to B1, because S2 is in the magnetic field of S1. Similarly like this, S2 is in the magnetic field of S1, therefore B1 into A2. What is B1? Magnetic field due to S1 is, it is a solenoid, mu naught N1 I1 into area is pi R2 square. If it contains n turns, flux you have to multiply with n. This n is nothing but number of turns in the secondary. So, you have to take this as N2A. So, N2 I can write it as small n1 into L. N2 I can write small n1 into L, if I take both are of same length. Similarly, N2 is equal to, small n2 is equal to capital N2 by L, because number of turns per unit length. So, this N2 I will write it as small n2 into L. So, flux linked with secondary will become mu naught n1 n2 I1 into L into pi R2 square. Okay. This according to our definition, I can write it as flux is equal to mutual inductance into current into primary. Here primary is S1. Therefore, I can write mutual inductance into I1 is equal to mu naught N1 N2 into I1 into L into pi R2 square. In I1 will get cancelled. This is mutual inductance on 1, 2. Next time what I will do, I will pass current in S2, I will pass current I2 in S2, EMF is induced in I1, EMF is induced in the outer coil now. Now let us take calculate the flux linked with S1. is equal to same B2, we have to take this as B2 into A1 into N1, exactly same. Flux linked when first coil is because of second coil now. This acts like primary, this acts like secondary. Now this you can write it as flux with S1 is equal to, this is mu naught N2 into I2 into area of first one pi R1 square into N1, you can write similarly from this, you can write N1 into L. This again you can write M21, I am taking this mutual inductance as M21 into M21 into I2, because flux linked with S1 is because of S2 now, current in S2. So, is equal to mu naught N1 N2 into L into pi R square pi R1 square into I2. I2 will get cancelled. From this, if R1 is equal to R2, if R1 is equal to R2, we can observe that M12 is equal to M21, M12 is equal to M21 is equal to M is equal to mu naught N1 N2 into L into pi R square. This is the mutual inductance of two solenoids when one solenoid is placed inside the other solenoid. So, this is the discussion about induction. So, what is induction? We have studied self inductance and mutual inductance. Self induction means the generation of current inside a coil due to change in the current in the same coil. The next, mutual inductance means the generation of EMF in a coil due to change in current in a nearby coil. So, mutual inductance of solenoid, self inductance we derived and mutual inductance we got like this. This is the formula for mutual inductance. Here you can write area also, you can write this as area also. Okay. Thank you for joining me.